Has your Wise account been blocked? If that's the case, this video is for you. I'm going to be sharing in this video a different option or even a better option than Wise. That's the nature of innovation. Some doors get closed and other doors get open. And in this case, it's much better. The option that is replacing Wise gives you better options. It gives you a chance to store cryptocurrencies. It gives you a crypto card. So we're going to be talking to you about a solution for those who may have their Wise account blocked. If your account has not been blocked by Wise, you may want to still consider this option in case that happens to you. Hi, my name is Boof. Welcome to Crypto Vagabonds YouTube channel. In this channel, we talk about cryptocurrencies, macrofinance, geopolitics, and everything else in between that may affect the performance of your crypto assets. So if you do like this kind of content, please consider subscribing to the video and also click the notification bell. Without any further ado, let's go straight into the video. So this is the Wise I'm talking about. It is a company that was created by Skype and became a online banking and gave you different options of have a banking account in different jurisdictions and enable you to send money via just using an email address. Of course, it has been used for on-ramp, has been used for peer-to-peer platforms, and I think because of the new algorithm, they develop a way to find out the patterns of which people may be using Wise to get on-ramp and off-ramp on a peer-to-peer platform. Now, the other option for that is Revolut. Revolut used to be a crypto card, and honestly, I did not like the card in the past because it never allowed me to withdraw my crypto. But the truth is, Revolut has innovated and has changed and now is offering other things. Basically, it began as an option to have a bank account and a crypto card, but now it's a little bit more than that. So it gives you the possibility to earn up to 2.96%, 3% interest pay daily. They have a crypto card, and the crypto card gives you rewards instead of you having to pay fees for the cards. Of course, there are conditions that you need to abide in order to be able to be qualifying for those rewards. But the truth is, you can keep cryptocurrencies on your card. And because it is a crypto card, I believe the chances of them blocking your card because you're using their account for peer-to-peer or on-ramp, off-ramp, it may be very slim because they are themselves a very good on-ramp opportunity. So I don't see them closing accounts in the same way that Wise has done it. And unlike just any other crypto card, they have merged what Wise provide with what a crypto card Revolut can provide. They allow you to have bank accounts in multiple jurisdictions, and in their case, you don't give an email address, but you give a very short code, and with that code, you pass that to other people. They're able to send money to you just with that code. So they allow you to have multiple bank accounts or internet bank accounts in different jurisdictions, as well as Wise did, and in exchange they also give you a card. Of course, Wise gave you a card, but not a crypto card. So I think this is a much better option than Wise, specifically because they offer a crypto card. And again, because they are themselves a on-ramp, the chances and the likelihood again of them blocking your account because you use them as an on-ramp way or a way to on-ramp, that's going to be very slim. So Revolut is the new option. I think it's much better than Wise. I feel actually glad that Wise blocked people's account because now I'm coming back and revisiting Revolut and seeing that as a good option for replacing Wise. I myself, I don't have bank accounts, but I have friends who do and I have clients who do, and they told me about this and I felt like sharing this with you guys. If this video was good to you, please let me know. If you don't like Revolut, let me know what your thoughts on Revolut. But I think this is an option. And if you do find another option, or if you do have another option as on-ramp or as replacing Wise, please let me know. This video was going to be very short. It's just about giving you a solution in case you are someone who got hurt by Wise blocking your account. So if you did like the video, please do like. If you do know someone who can benefit from watching this video, please do share. If you did not like, let me know in the comments below why I did not like. But if you do like, please do click the like button because I know this is the most significant metric used by YouTube. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.